First, depress the bricks on both front casters of the crusher. Place the riser sealing ring. Insert the feed riser. Install the clips to secure the feed riser and tighten the clips. Tie the collection belt to the discharge port and secure the other end with a cable tie. Tighten the hand wheel. Install the liquid outlet pipe. Arto the liquid nitrogen pump. Open the pressure relief valve. Return the liquid nitrogen pump valve to 0. Rotate the upper and lower hand wheels of the liquid nitrogen pump counterclockwise to move it upwards. Wearing liquid nitrogen protective gloves. Remove the liquid nitrogen tank cap. After the liquid nitrogen stops boiling, fully insert the pump into the tank. Press the stopper all the way down and alternately tighten the lower and upper hand wheels. Insert the outlet pipe into the riser and tighten the swivel hand wheel. Insert one end of the air inlet pipe into the liquid nitrogen pump and the other end into the pulverizer's air outlet. Installation complete. Operating procedure. First, connect the main power supply. Turn on the air pump switch and close the pressure relief valve. Open the graduated valve. The temperature should not be lower than 30 degrees Celsius. Start the grinder and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Once the liquid nitrogen flow is continuous, you can begin feeding the material.